Here we are. We got some pedals here. So that's where some companies are smart with social media, and they'll send out product for review. And one of you out there, a few of you actually said, Harley, can you organise these pedals? What's the deal? So we have that recycling. This is from Pedaling Innovations. They've sent me out for a review, and you know what? I already know I'm going to like them because someone that I rate has said they're pretty good. So what you get in the box, you get some little stickers there. So these are called Catalyst pedals, and the thing is, look how big that is. That all brings me back from the old BMX days in the 80s. You know, clack your shit on that. But look at that platform there. So that's the deal there. So their claim is to get the most from your Catalyst pedals, position the foot so the axle is in the middle of your arch. So these are basically a midfoot pedal, midfoot flat pedal. So they claim that it supports both ends of the arch, gets rid of the flex in the foot. I agree. Midfoot placement of the axle balances the foot, which takes stress off the ankle joint and allows for better equipment of the hips. I also agree with that. So this is a bit of a midfoot pedal system for flat pedals by just being a lot longer. So yeah, just gives you, because with the traditional pedal it's just a lot shorter, isn't it? So this is just long, so you can really get your midfoot support there. So I'll put these in the e-bike, and yeah, so to give you some notes here. This is from James Wilson. It's from Fruta. Is it Fruta, Colorado? Where's Fruta, Colorado? So this is a letter from James Wilson here. So yeah, it's if you are looking for a pair of these pedals, they're not that cheap, but they do feel pretty good.
How much?
I'm not exactly sure how much they cost, but they feel pretty decent quality. So they're serviceable as well. I'll put this in the e-bike and we'll do another review. This is just an unboxing, bit of a quick video, just a heads up that these pedals from Pedaling Innovations for e-bikes, etc. And it's got really good grip, so you're not going to slip that. If you do slip that and hit your shin though, you won't need any coffee that day or that week. But yeah, it's good grip there, and so good for power transfer. Just make sure when you're pedaling around the corners, be aware that you will have less clearance potentially because it's such a big platform. But experienced cycles from it anyway. So there you go. Pedaling Innovations unboxing. Check it out. Priority mail envelope. I will recycle these large. You can just recycle them over and over. So yeah, just a little last bit for the video. Just recycle when you can. Reuse.